Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna talk about top 5 best places to visit in Brazil. Brazil occupies about half of the South American continent and is the fifth largest country by landmass worldwide. It is famous for being home to one of the world's top football teams, the Rio de Janeiro Carnival, Samba, Capoeira, and of course Caipirinha, and the remarkable Iguazu Falls. The country is filled with beautiful people and gorgeous beaches, the most famous being Copacabana Beach. The 22 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Brazil are testimonials of a country wealthy with history, culture, natural phenomena, and biodiversity. Brazil is an exciting world travel destination. Let's look the best places to visit in Brazil. Number 1, Rio de Janeiro. Located in southeastern Brazil, Rio de Janeiro is the most visited city of South America due to its famous mountains, beaches, and carnival festival. A city known for its stark contrast, Rio de Janeiro perfectly blends golden shores, lush forests, and bustling urban life to create a home for its 6-meter residents. The former capital of Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, is a tourist hotspot home to many cultural attractions as well as world-renowned monuments. The most famous of them all is the Christ the Redeemer statue, one of the 7 wonders of the world, situated atop the Corcovado Hill and presenting you with one of the best panoramas of the city. Number 2, Sao Paulo. Another best place to visit in Brazil is Sao Paulo. It is a heaven for Brazilian culture, being the largest city and financial center of the country. Sao Paulo city is a current boom town. Everything here is growing: commerce, industry, culture, finance, and of course tourism. But you can also leave the city for a bit and head to Serra de Mantiqueira. Complete your tour of Sao Paulo by visiting Patio do Colégio, the picturesque park to Ibirapuera. For a change of pace, head to Praça Roosevelt for hipster bars and alternative liberal crowd. Pace yourself as you will need stamina for the nightlife here. Number 3, Salvador. Another best place to visit in Brazil is Salvador. It is one of the top places to visit in Brazil. Located in the state of Bahia, Salvador has a phenomenal energy that's notable even for Brazil. That's reflected in many traditions, the food and the music. It is the first colonial capital of Brazil as well as one of the oldest cities in both North and South America. Known to be Brazil's capital of happiness, its lively mix of cultures and styles, it offers numerous outdoor parties and the city street carnival is the largest in the world. Situated on the coast of the Bay of All Saints, Salvador offers fantastic beaches that are ideal for sunbathing, swimming, and surfing. Some of the most popular including Porto de Barra, Flamingo, and Stella Maris, its 17th and 18th century architecture and its endless vibrancy. The culture here is decidedly Afro-Brazilian and you will see that in the incredible food, religious ceremonies and rituals and dance. Number 4, Brasilia. Another best place to visit in Brazil is Brasilia. It is a federal capital of Brazil, is a planned city known for its modern architecture and artistic urban planning. Brasilia's landmark infrastructure is laid out in the form of an airplane. Each section of the plane is a different district like residential, government, finance, culture, and commerce. The architecture here attracts tourists and professional architects alike. It was so finely executed that UNESCO named Brasilia City a World Heritage Site. Brasilia also features a large artificial lake and several beautiful parks that all offer a variety of leisure activities. The capital is also an important transportation hub for travel within Brazil. Number 5, Olinda. One of Brazil's best preserved colonial cities, Olinda is located on the country's Atlantic coast in the northeastern state of Pernambuco. Founded by the Portuguese in the earlier 16th century. The historic old town sits on a hill surrounded by trees and filled with churches, museums, and restaurants. In 1982, it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is an artsy counterpart of Recife with galleries, workshops, bar churches, convents, monasteries, and wonderfully preserved houses and manors. Thanks for watching guys. So I really hope did you guys enjoyed this video. Then do like it and don't forget to subscribe this channel.